Country roads, please take me home and to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home to the country road. Almost heaven from West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is all there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country road, please take me home to the place I belong. From West Virginia, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, the country road. All my memories we gather around her. Miners lately stranded to the water. When the dark dusty painted on the skies, misty days, the moonshine, the teardrop in my eye. Country road, please take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, Mountain Mama, take me home, the country road. I hear the voices in the morning, now she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far, far away. Driving in the road, I got the feeling, but I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country road, please take me home, to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, you take me home in the country road. The country road, please take me home, to the place where I belong. I'm West Virginia, West Virginia, I'm on Mountain Mama, take me country road, take me country road.
Yo! It's your boy followers of Tropa Vibes. Kung nagustuhan mo itong kanta na to, pwede kayong bumisita sa aming channel at makinig pa ng iba't ibang klaseng reggae music. At kung nagustuhan mo, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell para update kayo sa mga videos namin. And of course, you can follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Maraming salamat sa suporta at pagmamahal niyo sa reggae music. Stay safe, stay cool, and stay happy. And anong oras na?